go over the foundation of our Dana 60 rear disc brake conversion for these trucks. It all starts with our custom designed caliper brackets. Now what you'll be doing is removing entirely the whole entire drum brake system, and then this bracket bolts right up to the flange, the 4-bolt flange on either side of the Dana 60. And this incorporates mounts for the main calipers, and then also for the separate parking brake calipers, and we'll go over those options here in a second. But this bracket is CNC machined out of 6061 aluminum. It is then anodized, and then we send it right to you as you see it here. So once you get past the brackets, then the next thing that really makes this kit above average is the fact that we're using really nice Wilwood components as far as the calipers are concerned. So these calipers here are their DA calipers. These are a 4-piston rear caliper, and these are matched well to go right with our 6-piston front kits that we do offer. And we'll have more information about those in other videos. But these here are these 4-piston calipers, and these use these Wilwood brake pads. Now these brake pads are a brake pad that you can also supply at your local parts store. So if you get one of these kits and you're worried about changing pads at some point, whatever, you can get these pads from us here, or you can go right to your local parts store and get a pad that will fit. Now Wilwood has different compounds and such, you know, that is an option there depending on what your uses are and that sort of thing. So once you get past the main caliper, then we have the parking brake option. So this would be the standard parking brake option. So this parking brake caliper goes on, and it is cable operated. So it allows you to still run your factory foot pedal in these cabs with your single factory cable that comes out and goes down to your frame. And then we do supply brand new brake cables to go from these up to your frame, and then connect those to your stock cable to be able to operate your parking brake. And these are really nice because it's a little mini disc brake caliper. So once it's once it's pulled with your new cable setup, it activates the lever, and then it squeezes the piston out, squeezes your parking brake, and holds the truck. So really nice, simple option, but really upgrades the parking brake. And if you've ever worked on these old drum brakes in these trucks, sometimes trying to get the parking brake to actually work properly can be a challenge. And this here guarantees that you will have a functioning parking brake. So the other option we have for those are these electric parking brake calipers, which makes it to where you can get rid of your whole entire cable system and go right to an electric option that has a switch that controls it. We'll go over that here in a second, but this has a solenoid on here that when activated, it squeezes the caliper, and then the electricity is turned off. So it's not draining power. There's no power draw to your brakes when you have your parking brake connected. But this just goes right on in the same exact fashion, bolts on the same bracket, all in the same way that the mechanical ones do. And it just gives you the ability, say if you're building a higher end truck, or if you just don't like the foot pedal, you want to get rid of it, this gives you the option to get rid of that. Or if you, like I said, if you're building a higher end truck, you're trying to smooth out and clean up the interior, you want to get rid of that foot pedal and really clean up your kick panel there on your driver's side, and still have a parking brake that works really well. These are a great option for that as an upgrade. So to control those, they come with the wiring that's necessary to hook it up, Wilwood's little computer module in order to make that work, and then a new switch that you can mount on your dash. And it's a really nice, clean, simple setup that allows you, it gives you even a little bezel here that's an on-off for your parking brake, so you know which way's which. It gives you that nice, clean look inside your interior. But you know, this system here all comes together. You know, with it, it's a very user-friendly setup. Gives you that good parking brake. Like I said, whether you want the cable operated design or the electric, depending on what your desires are. The kit includes 2 brand new rotors that go right onto your existing wheel hub. So once you pound your lug studs out and get your drums off, these will go right in place, and you'll put your lug studs right back through, and these will be held right onto the back of the existing factory hub. No modification required, which is really nice. So brand new nice rotors to go with it. And then of course all the hardware to bolt the calipers on, to bolt the parking brake stuff together, bolt the stuff right to your existing Dana 60 axle. All that is included in the kit, and then any other hardware you need. So yeah, this is kind of an overview and a good look at our Dana 60 rear disc brake conversion. We really wanted to bring something to market that was just a step above what's out there and available. So if you're interested in our Dana 60 rear disc brake conversion for 67 to 79 Ford F-250 trucks, give us a call here at the shop, or you can email us or go on our website. We're hoping to have those available soon on the web for purchase as well. So check those out. If you got any questions, give us a call, and thanks for watching.